deal with redness first thing in the morning, especially on the cheeks. It's a very vascular area. If that's something you're going through, you may want to consider not washing your face first thing in the morning, especially if your skin is dry, and adding a humidifier to your bedroom. You know, when we sleep, we lose more water from the skin. And of course, wearing a moisturizer before you go to bed. Speaking of which, I just put on a little moisturizer. It's pretty much absorbed. And I'm gonna put on a sunscreen. Which one should I wear? I got a new bottle from a viewer of the La Roche-Posay Shaka Fluid. This is one of my favorite sunscreens. This one came from the viewer who sent me those gorgeous earrings she made me. I almost drop it in my mouth. It's super lightweight. It's a chemical sunscreen, there's no cast, as you can see. There are a lot of possible reasons though for facial redness. Rosacea, in which case moisturizer still can be helpful, and not washing your face first thing in the morning still can be helpful. Eczema flares, and seborrheic dermatitis. Still using the Charlevoix. That sounds like somewhere in the English countryside. We're taking the train to Charlevoix. Charlotte Tilbury Push-Up Lashes. I rather enjoy this mascara, but it is a little flaky towards the end of the day. That's one thing I don't enjoy, especially if my eyes happen to get watery, because hello, these seasonal allergies are a nightmare right now. But if I go outside, sometimes I get a little, you know, the bunny face. So I finished getting ready and I'm gonna head out. Today I'm gonna go to this Japanese grocery store I've always wanted to go to. I may swing by CVS and run into Kroger really quick, but I'm gonna go ahead and have myself a little snack. I'm gonna have one of my Verb energy bars. Today's video is sponsored by Verb. I'm a huge fan. I know a lot of you guys have tried them out since I've started mentioning them, but those of you who have fallen in love with it, if you haven't tried it yet, you definitely need to try their new caramel macchiato flavor. It is so good. For me, these are just like the perfect little pick-me-up snack before I go like for a workout, because they have a little bit of caffeine, 65 milligrams from organic green tea, but it's not like having an energy drink, so I don't get the jitters. And I used to love eating Clif bars, but they have a ton of sugar, and these have that same kind of texture, but they have like 4 times less sugar than a Clif bar. They're always coming out with a ton of unique flavors. I love the texture too. They're really like soft and chewy. The caramel macchiato flavor is like a super indulgent coffee. And they're like the perfect size to throw in your purse. They're really handy to take with you on the go. And one of these bars is only 90 calories, so it's like the perfect little snack. So if you guys have never tried out Verb before, definitely take advantage of my code Dr. Dray, because you can get 50% off a starter pack, which is a pouch of 12 bars in the flavor of your choice, plus 3 sample bars, plus free shipping for new customers. But I know a lot of you guys have already tried out Verb and you love them as much as I do. I still have a great offer for you too. If you use my code, you can get 30% off their caramel macchiato bundles, plus free shipping on orders over $30 for returning customers. So definitely take advantage of it. They are the perfect little snack, little pick-me-up. Love them. You guys are gonna love them if you haven't tried them, and I know so many of you love them as much as I do.
I'm here in CVS. I don't know if I've seen this before. I think I have. The Revitalift Derm Intensive 3.5% glycolic acid cleansing gel. Just a morning cleanser to help with gentle exfoliation, perhaps enhanced penetration of your vitamin C serum. It also has salicylic acid in it. It'd be good for hyperpigmentation. See, it looks like they have a cream cleanser too. Salicylic acid. The L'Oreal Revitalift Pro Retinol plus Centella. Now, Centella may be helpful for healing, but this isn't really retinol. It's just retinol palmitate or retinol ester, which doesn't actually end up working out like retinol would in your skin. So it's really just an antioxidant. Whoa, check this out. CVS's Renewal Anti-Aging Sculpting Cream. This is a dupe for the Olay Regenerist one. Again, it's got collagen in it, a humectant, and peptides, perhaps for not only firming, but in theory, maybe they get in and boost collagen. But again, who knows if that ends up working out to be true. And they've got a CVS dupe for their Revitalift Wrinkle Eye Cream, shea butter, and peptides. Beauty 360 has a retinol eye cream. Who are they claiming this is like? That looks promising. So I'm over here by a different Kroger, and they have the Tuscany Valentine candles in. I just smell bubble bath, and it kind of smells like, well, bubble bath. Valentine Bakery looks good. Red Hot Hearts they come out with every year. I also have some Valentine decor. Love ya. Those are nice if you have a desk, like you decorate your desk at work or something. And then they have little glittery heart wreaths. Okay, at the Japanese grocery store, I got some wasabi to make my own wasabi. I've been looking for this for a while now, so I'm glad I found it. I love horseradish and wasabi. And then I got some dried kelp, and I got some dried seaweed powder for soups and stuff. So yeah, happy to find those things. I was really hoping to buy some natto. I've been dying to try it, and they had it, but every single one that they had anchovy or bonito in it, which is fish. So I need to find some that is fish-free and, you know, vegan. I saw you can buy it online, but it's like really expensive. So I'm gonna try H Mart, see if I can't find it there, but I'm dying to try it. It's like a fermented soybean. It looks like something I would love. Comment below and if you've had natto before. And of course, another reason for facial redness is irritating skincare products that have peppermint oil in them or peppermint leaf extract. Comment below if you watched my review of Cocoa Kind. If you missed it, definitely go back and watch it. It is an illustration of how some products can cause problems. Anyways. Well, hey guys, I just finished the shower, got my moisturizer on and what have you. I had a great time today. You know, that SEIWA market, it was not as big as I was expecting it to be, but they had quite a bit of stuff in there. It's a go-to place if you're into sushi, like high quality cuts of fish, which I obviously don't eat. I follow a vegan diet, but I know it's known for that. But they had like a ton of Japanese like seasonings and stuff. I mean, you saw what I got. Anyways, yeah, I'm really glad I made it over there. I just finished filming a little TikTok reel short. I don't even know what position in the internet it'll go, probably all three. But it was on seborrheic dermatitis, which a lot of you guys I know deal with. It's like those red flaky patches that pop up. Like for a lot of people, it's in their eyebrows, around the nose, around the mouth, and did I already say the forehead? The forehead. It's actually related to dandruff. It comes and goes. It tends to flare in the winter time, and it also flares like if you get stressed out or sick. I know a lot of people lately have been really sick, but if you're dealing with that, a tip is to just get some anti-dandruff shampoo, lather it to those areas, let it sit on the skin for several minutes, and then rinse it off. And repeat that daily until you get a good control over it, and then do that a couple of times a week as maintenance. You also can do it in your scalp because it's thought to kind of originate, it's related to dandruff, honestly, and it's thought to kind of originate somewhat in the scalp and perhaps trickle down to the face and kick off a flare on the face.
And it's known that treating the scalp can help control the breakouts on the face as well. So I know a lot of you guys deal with that, but speaking of getting sick, knock on marble, I have not gotten sick, you guys, in years. Like, I haven't had a cold, sniffle, nothing. I don't know how I'm lucky. Yeah, I noticed that going out today, I counted on my hands, like, I think it was something I passed I passed a ton of businesses, but every single business that I actually was able to look at, if that makes sense, from the car, it seemed as though they all had a "we're hiring" sign. Burger King, Ben & Jerry's, CVS that we went into, Kroger that we went into, SEIWA, the Japanese grocery store. They were hiring cashiers, and they said on the note, it's a fun place to work. I would actually love working in a grocery store. I think I would. I've never worked in a grocery store. It could be one of those super, super stressful jobs, but that actually does seem like kind of a fun place to work. But I don't know. Yeah, it's interesting to see that. I mean, maybe those signs have always been there. I've just never noticed. But yeah. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. I hope you had a good time. Don't forget to check out Verb, handy little snack on the go, a little kickstart to your day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.